We made it. Here we go. Part 23. Turn the key. So, you've watched it all? Of course you have. Maybe not. Maybe some. Maybe this. Maybe that. You've watched it all. You've seen the heartache and the struggle and the blood and the sweat and the tears that's gone into making rock and roll again. Yeah. That's what we've been doing. Just making it go. Making it roll. So, let's see how we go. Let's turn the key and, I won't spoil it, but there's some smoke. And a bit of a plunk and choop. And, I don't know. And just deal with the problems, I guess. And that's what we do, isn't it? Break shit, and then we fix it. I'll come back at the end of this one. We'll discuss what's going to happen after this. And, let's roll with it.
Where to, what to believe in, where to really so. Where to, not to deceive in, we don't take control. Believe what you read or what you see, but you don't really know. Believe what you want, but don't deceive me, you won't take control. As if I need to turn on that TV, I don't even need to know the reasons. Life's not meant to be misinformed and confused. Toe the line, real time. You'll learn how to toe the line. This is life. Turn into real life. You've been told your mind is now in their control.
It's been a day, that's for sure. Where did we leave off? Alright. The moment of truth has arrived. That'll be fine. That's fine. Just don't worry about it. That's fine. Just keep it on. I did that clutch. I made that little video that may or may not get shown. It's just I was using the light and I thought I'd hit the thing. Once I got there, I've adjusted the clutch and I checked, and that's factory spec. No, it's not. I didn't check. That's fine. She's soft. I don't know. We'll see. Haven't started it yet. But it is that time. It is that time. Let's just drink it up one more time and say our prayers. Oh, that's gone down now. That's good. Just a little bit bubbling on the top there. That'll go down once she starts up. But so I think I'll put that in there. 500 mils serves 15 litres. So I think I didn't put enough in there. And I was trying to work out this gauge, and then yeah, I don't know. That'll do. That's good enough. Can do it. There's enough there to do it again if needs be. Probably do it again. Maybe once we've got a new thermostat housing. I'm not fucking running the gauntlet. So we just hope that's that and that's that. And she's all buttoned up. There's life in it. I did put my foot on the clutch and change the gears. Maybe I shouldn't have. I don't know. But let's, I guess, first see if it fires up. Yeah, something went plonk and flew out. What was that? Oh yeah, whatever that is. What's that? Oh, the radiator cap sitting on the engine. Oh, good one, Nathan. That's fine, don't worry about that. Leave that off for a bit anyway, let that purr. Oh, we're not looking in the right spot. It's moving fluid around anyway. Not seeing any seepage there yet. Smells like the greaser and the shit that we sprayed everywhere all over, I reckon. There's smoke. It's not anything coming out of that thermostat housing, I hope. No, it's just exhaust pipes with all the crap on them. It's fine. Do we need to put more water in there? I don't think so yet. That smells great. Just deal with that smoke, that's fine. It's nothing to worry about. Yeah. Easily looking steam coming out of it, but just keep an eye on here for a minute. Oh, you know what, let's... I had to get a funnel out, didn't I? Because that whole shit and hose has got like 16 different options, but none of them are like go down a nice little hole, so yeah. Clean that up, use that. Whoa. Okay, that dries up at some stage soon. It's just smelling amazing. Drink that shit up. Oh, it's still not leaking, and there's no thermostat in there, so should be pumping water through. I might go and turn the hose back on, and we'll go out in the dark here and probably not see anything. Oh, you see my shadow? That's me. And then we'll just turn this on again. Put some more juice in there. Yeah, she's still smoking. She's a smoker. Yeah, no leaks coming out of there. That's good, that's good. It's starting to drop a little bit. Where's that funnel that we just threw away? Nice and clean, aside from my dirty hand there. Sit that there, crack. I don't know, sit that there so I can drop into the fan next time. Oh, jeez, look at the hands here. Let's just sit that there for a second so we can put it in, but we'll just push that out, push it into those hands. Where are we? Back. Still smoking. Try and make sure we don't fill it up too much. You don't want to leave that funnel in there. Put the cap back on. It's overflowing now, so yeah, that's perfect. Just drip some more water in there. Yeah. Still smoking. Alright, let's go with that. Let's go. Rev. What a note. Oops. There for a sec, about 2,000. It should have drank up any extra bits that it needs. Oh, let's put the cap on. She hot. Let's get our cap on. Better that it's leaking out of there. And now that we're pressurised and we're not leaking, let's just imagine everything's perfect. Let's pop the bonnet down for the first time in a week. Just let your smoke away there. Leave it clip because we probably want to quickly open it. We don't have a bonnet latch. Well, let's get rid of our dinner plate. That's going to be a catastrophe. Let's see if I can go 40 backwards stick works. Come on, baby. What are we going to do with you? Stick it up there. Maybe you can see. Oh, no, that's not going to work. Sit in there. Hopefully he's just pointing at the gear stick. Moment of truth. Oh ho 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 ho. Where are ya? That's it, we go backwards. I don't know if that clutch probably just needs adjusting, it's very spongy. And we go forwards. Yeah, boy. Oop. The brakes. Brakes is wet, I suppose. Let's go backwards and forwards again just to burn out the clutch a bit more. Yeah. Whoop. Let's get away from that lip there because I can't get up it. From there. Yeah, this just needs adjusting, so we'll fiddle around with that. Whoop. Wait. Jeez. Yeah! We did it, man! We fucking did it! Yes! Yes! Oh, I'll leave it running. Whoop, not in gear though. Let's yeah, just fuck up at the last moment. That's fucking fixed, man. That's fucking good. That's ripper. Have you run over this hose? Nah. It's a bit more forward now. Let's just fucking see how our fucking plant's holding in there. She's still smoking in here, but it's smoking out of where it's water on there, so that's alright. That's warming up. That's warm. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, there's a little bit of seepage there, I think. We'll just let it run for a bit longer and let that flush, and then it's gonna be too hot to drain, but after this is tomorrow's worry now. Alright. Is that still recording? Yes. Yeah, so we are winning. We've won the battle. Here she is. There she is. The Red Rocket. So, she's been running probably 10 minutes now. It's good. It's warmed up. I haven't seen any leaks out of there. I thought I saw a little bit of seepage coming out, but it just seems to be that gasket stuff pushing its way out. So I'm going to turn it off in a second and just let that harden off, and that's going to be like brand new. We'll fix on that later on, but no, nothing's leaking out of there. Still smoking, not as bad. Yeah, we did it. Couple of days to spare. We can just roll this bad boy out whenever we need. Once we get that fixed up, we can start driving around and work on what we can't destroy on the beast, eh? Easy. Easy, easy. Monday. So, big day yesterday. Some big wins. Some not so big wins, we'll call them. You know, all went good. Just came home this afternoon, absolutely booted. Late night last night, didn't really get much sleep, been knackered all day. Just thought I'd come in here and make a little follow-up video. I probably won't do it right now, but I need to just work out what we're going to do, what's going to be next. You know, we achieved that goal of getting it to go out there and come back in and go out and come in. So that's awesome. What we need to do in the meantime, just we've opened up that radiator, let that drain out. That sort of looked cleanish, what I saw. The water down there looks shite because that's all the grease, and I didn't clean out the drip tray, which I probably should have. This bottle looks like it's got some yucky stuff in it, but reservoir, so battery out, that out before I refill it and probably flush it again. I might do that tonight because I'm still sniffing. I was thinking today boogers are all dried up, but nah, start doing a video and you start sniffing. Yeah, so that's got to be done. We'll run another flush through there, that's fine. We'll just leave that thermostat and the shit as it is. Doesn't look like it leaked anything else after that, and it looks like it's kind of formed a bit of a gasket there, so that's, you know, that's good. Yep. Hang on. I'm gonna go. Well, that was an abrupt ending, wasn't it? But we got there. We did it. She rolls again. She scooted in. She scooted out. You know, that clutch is a bit spongy and weird, and yeah, it needs a bit of adjustment and stuff. And you know, we'll fix that. And then we've got to work on our G clamp issues. Like, you know, we'll fix a bit of that stuff up, and then we gotta do all that other stuff. If you watch the first video, we walked around this thing, and there's, you know, a few things wrong with it. So yeah, we're gonna continue on. We're gonna continue on. We're gonna make this thing nice. And like I said, the main goal, you know, is drive it around while we fix up our other cars and sell it at the end, and hopefully, you know, get some cash back and make it all worthwhile. But yeah, like, we're going to change it up in the next season, so we won't just go the raw old video diaries. We'll put a bit more effort into the videos because some people's watching them and stuff. So yeah, we'll just, you know, probably still sucks, but I think what the plan is we're gonna we'll go to the wreckers and we'll get some bits and see what we can score and fix on all that, instead of just playing it out as I did it, because it sort of plays out and you know, fix everything all at fucking once and pull all this shit apart and do all sorts of random crap. But we'll just go, yeah, this bit, this bit, this bit, this bit, this bit, and yeah, it'll be good. You'll enjoy it. So yeah, stay tuned. Fucking do that fucking ticky flicky thing and just, you know, follow along. And yeah, and, I don't know. Do we need a new thing? No, we still roll. We roll with it. We roll with it. Yeah, yeah.